Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Control Room BTC update. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to our website to join our Discord and come and trade live with us in Zoom. Let's go to Bitcoin first, shall we? Righto, so on the high time frame, Bitcoin, we can see we've made a push up over the last couple of days. So the weekend went sideways, swept the lows and pushed up. We are in a high time frame downtrend. We're making a lower high here, but if we can continue up to supply, we'd like to see a rejection there. I am positioned short, so I'm looking for the short. And the way the market's been, everything's dumping, but Bitcoin keeps wanting to pump. So I'm not sure what's actually going on there. All the macro stuff that's come in is all confusing, but it's just noise. We trade just the structure. So I'll go with a shameless plug. If you want to come and learn our system, go to our website, join the Discord group. We've got 9 modules that you can go through to learn our system, and we will help you through with that as well. So we have a live Zoom where we trade together live, and people learn better when they actually got real life charts going on. So go to the website, thecontrolroom.xyz, and join the community. Cool. Anyway, 4-hour chart. We're in a high time frame downtrend. We're pushing up, and that's just normal part of getting the liquidity, but a fair bit of tension going on. Are we breaking up or breaking down? So I'm not sure. You can see the high time frame, it smashed a demand here that came late last week, and it's formed another one. So buyers stepped in over the weekend and pushed it up. Now, the volume is not really happening. There's not much about, so it has died off. I am expecting it to come down, but right now, the chart that's showing me why I'm a little bit on the fence, and I don't know whether we're breaking up or down, to be honest, is the daily. The daily printed a demand here on Monday. So since then, what have we had? Bang, massive push straight up, and we're right in the middle. Now, these 2 yellow lines are high time frame vectors. Haven't been quite reclaimed yet. So we're right in the middle. It's full trap zone right now. So it's touch and go whether we break up to the upside or just dribble up and get the liquidity at once. Or we've been saying for months now that, we've been saying for a while now that these daily vectors are here. It's all liquidity. I can't see where the buyers are coming from, but these weekly vectors, they're targets to the upside. I'm more looking to the downside. This weekly demand's more my target, and you can see the volume is just tapering off. So how are we supposed to get price go up when there's no liquidity? There's no liquidity in the market. It's just doing what it wants and trapping longs, trapping shorts, and you can see here that's the weekly chart. It's done it for what, 6-8 weeks now. Go back to the 1 hour now. And you can see we're in a nice tight range here as well. Just as London opened, or just before London opened, it's decided to throw a green vector. It pushed up overnight in USA, and all it's done is just dribble all the way down again. So buyers were present. Look at the size of that candle, volume candle. That's a nice one. And just pushed it up. Didn't quite get that. Oh, this one's gone. Why is it one there? This one's not quite got. So I'm thinking we're going to push up, tap that, and dump. But if we do continue, there's plenty of liquidity above. This all here. These highs haven't been swept. There's vectors up there. There's all sorts of lovely liquidity, but I don't want to see a higher high. I want to see this turn around and dump. So I'm having a little bit of luck with gold at the moment. So I've been trading that a little bit. We've got an add-on from the long we took on Friday. You can see the weekend. It's just come down, swept the lows, swept the highs. Now it's come back and got the liquidity from the move late in the week, and now it should be ready to push up. So I'm long gold and silver. Silver's a little bit slower, but it's there. Now the markets have been bleeding all the way down, and they've found a base here on a 1 hour demand. I've taken along there. And what else have we got? Oh, Ethereum, of course. Ethereum is just made a little bit of a push up to a 1 hour supply, and it's conducting business inside that supply now, and quite possibly looking to take out my stop loss, which is just up here. So if we do make a higher high here, I lose out, but I'm looking for the lower high. I jumped in here and this week, last night, no, this week. Yep, that one, that week there. Pushed up into supply, got rejected, pushed up, retested it perfectly and dumped. Since then, it's gone sideways, continued down a little bit, made a little bit of a hump, and it's come up and it's swept the highs. So I'm looking for it to turn around here now. But that's going to need Bitcoin to give it a little bit of help because it's got its liquidity. But there's my target. I want to see a lower low. That's only on the 15-minute. So that's where we take our TPs heavily and take what we can. And with the hour, it'd have to break an hour demand. You can see everything here. It's bounced off this demand a fair bit. It's failed to make a lower high at this stage. I'm not saying it can't go up here, but I'm positioned short here at this 1 hour supply. That's all I've really got. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out all our socials. We got them all there. So go to the website, join the Discord group, come and learn the strategy, trade with us live in Zoom, and have a good day. Protect your capital.